Hi, I am Saurabh Jain from bi-analytics.org, and today I will share with you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. Lookup in vertical direction to find the data from the table. Let's look out one example. Here it is list of marks scored by students. It is a table in which column 1 we have names and column 2, 3rd and 4th has marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics of corresponding students. So if you are asked how much did Kritika score in chemistry, what are the steps will you use to find and retrieve the answer from the table? We need to find Kritika in column 1. This will be our step 1. But where? In the column 1 of marks table. So here it is. So we find out that it is the 8th row where we have Kritika in the name list. Once Kritika is found in a row, we move to corresponding column to retrieve the data like this. So what we did is, first of all, we moved vertically in column 1 to find out Kritika. Once Kritika is found, we move to column number 3rd of same row to find the number that is 65, which is the data we want to retrieve. So this is how exactly the VLOOKUP works in Excel. When we talk about VLOOKUP in Excel, it is a function which takes 4 arguments. First of all is lookup value. So in our case, Kritika is a lookup value. Second is table array, that is the marks table where the data is being presented to us. Third is column index number. So for us, as we are looking for marks in chemistry, this is the column number 3rd we will use. Another argument is range lookup, which takes logical values either true or false. Here true means approximate match and false means exact match. So when we are looking for finding Kritika, it is the exact match. Generally we take exact match, and in this case also we will take exact match. So we will put false into it. Let's try to do the same example in Excel. So here it is a Excel. We have a example sheet. So we need to find marks in Kritika. So we will do is equals to VLOOKUP bracket open. Now we do H2 that we are looking up for Kritika, comma, but we are in table array. So this is our table array. Remember, every time we will search in the same table, so we will just press F4 to make sure that it is absolute referencing, not the relative referencing. We'll now put comma, column index number is 3 because it is chemistry 1, and comma false false, bracket close, press enter. So here it is your number 65. Now you can drag it out for other data. So now let's see. But when we say Kritika, it is the table and lookup value is H2. When we say Manvi's case, it is lookup value is H3 but table remains same. So because every time the row is changing but table has to remain same, so we have locked it out with pressing dollar signs into it. Hope you will get it. So now hope you are able to understand how we use VLOOKUP. We have an exercise for you in this another sheet where you have to find marks in mathematics scored by Priyanka, Nikhil and Deshna. Give it a try. I am sure you will be able to use VLOOKUP. Once you are done with VLOOKUP, if you find any problem, please connect me for VLOOKUP or any Excel problem in bi-analytics.org. Thank you.